Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to find jobs on AT&T. So if you also want to find jobs on AT&T, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is type in www.att.jobs, press enter. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of AT&T. You can see several options over here. You can see the options for careers, life at AT&T, talent network, events and search jobs. You can find several options for careers over here. If you want to explore the options, simply click on the option careers. Now you can see several career options. You can see the option for call center, corporate, early careers, global, government support, retail, sales, technician and technology. If you want to find the jobs, it is very simple. All you have to do is click on the option search jobs that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to search for the job title, category or skills. You can also search the job according to your location. Simply enter the job title, category or skills that you want to search for. Also enter the location. You can see over here, I've already entered my location. After you've entered the location, simply click on the search icon that you can see right over here. Now you'll be led to another interface. Now you'll be able to see all the jobs that is available for you. If you want to apply for the job, simply click on the job. After that, you'll be led to another interface. Here you'll be able to find several informations like job description, scope, responsibilities, education, key competencies, etc. Read these informations very carefully. If you want to apply for the job, simply click on the option apply now. After that, follow through the prompts and you'll be able to apply for the job. So that is how you find jobs on AT&T. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.